Did you know that Leonardo Design Studio can tackle print and cut jobs when being paired with a Siser cutter? We've made it simple to say yes to full color designs. Just follow these simple steps. Navigate to the design page in Leonardo Design Studio and click File, then Import. Find your full color image and import it into the software. The Create Cut Contours window will appear. Here you can adjust the mask tolerance of your print and cut project. The mask tolerance bar allows you to decide how aggressive the masking will be on your image. The advanced masking tools allow you to remove or include certain color ranges from the image. And you can also use drawing tools right on the preview menu to adjust the image mask. When you're finished making masking adjustments, click Next to bring up the Traced Contours section. Here you can smooth out the cut contour lines and adjust the minimum contour area. You can even choose to include or exclude cavities. When you're finished adjusting the cut contour, click Next to bring up the Contour Offset section. Here you can use the slider bar to adjust the contour offset if you prefer, and even include a contour bleed offset and color. Once your contour offset is set, click Finish to place your design on the artboard. You can now resize your design if preferred. Just make sure that the registration marks are contained within the artboard. Once you're happy with the size and placement of your design, click Send Design in the top right corner to bring up the Send Design menu. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see that the software has split your print and cut design into two layers, the full color artwork and the cut contours. With the full color artwork selected, you can choose which printer to use, the paper size, and whether you will be using a cutting mat. Once the appropriate material is loaded into your printer, click Send to Printer. Once your printer has finished printing your artwork, you will then want to transfer it to your cutter. Load the printed design into the cutter with or without a mat, and make sure that the small arrow registration mark is positioned in the bottom left side of the cutter. Adjust the machine head on the cutter using the arrow buttons and roughly position it inside the bottom left registration mark. Back in Leonardo Design Studio, select the Cut Contours layer in the Send Design window. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can now adjust your cut settings or simply click the Use Cutter Settings option. Once your cut settings are dialed in, click Send to Cutter. Your cutter will begin by searching for the registration marks automatically. Once they're identified, the cutter will begin contour cutting your printed design. When it's finished, you can remove the material from the cutter. Congratulations, you are now ready to tackle print and cut projects using Leonardo Design Studio and your new Siser cutter.